On January 11th of 2014, a band of strong to severe thunderstorms moved across the southeastern United States, producing damaging winds across a large area, including parts of southeast Georgia and northern Florida. As many as 165 reports of wind, hail, or tornado damage were received across the southeastern United States during the afternoon and overnight hours of January 11th. Close to a dozen reports of trees or power lines down were received across northeast Florida and southeast Georgia. There were numerous measured wind gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour across the region as the line of storms moved across the area. At 1 o'clock, the line of thunderstorms approached the area from the west, spreading across southeast Georgia and northeast Florida between 2 and 7 p.m. You can see little segments of red accelerating ahead of the rest of the line. Those are areas where we had stronger winds being produced. Again, these storms produced fairly widespread 40 to 50 mile per hour winds, with a few areas reporting winds as high as 60 miles per hour, leading to some trees down along with power lines. Climatologically, the threat for severe weather in the second week of January is fairly small, across much of the country in fact. The potential for tornadoes is low. It tends to be at a maximum over the Gulf Coast region, so they can happen, but it's a pretty low probability. The same is the case with damaging wind probabilities. Again, the focus is over the Gulf Coast region and the southeast, including our area of the country in northern Florida and southeastern Georgia. But again, compared to into the spring, the probabilities in early to mid-January are pretty small. Hail probabilities are even smaller. We tend not to get an unstable enough environment to support really large hail, except in very rare instances. So an interesting event for southeast Georgia and northeast Florida, with a line of thunderstorms moving in ahead of a cold front. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville issued 8 severe weather warnings for this line, providing an average lead time of about 24 minutes for the events that were warned. The outlook for the next week through the 21st of January shows the potential for any other severe weather events looks too low right now, so quieter weather for our area of the country for the next week at least. For the latest weather information, including watches and warnings that are in effect, latest observation and forecast information, as well as radar imagery, you can get all of that information from our website at weather.gov/JAX. Thank you.